How important is the appearance and condition of your package when it arrives at your customer's doorstep? Your packaging is the first physical interaction your customer has with your product. It sets the tone for the entire experience. Are your packages arriving damaged? Does your packaging reflect your brand's commitment to quality and care? In today's world, your package is your storefront. Which package would you rather receive? Traditional plastic tape isn't designed for the demands of today's e-commerce shipping. It peels, tears, and exposes your products to damage during shipment. Plastic tape offers little security. Notice how easily it can be removed with just a hairdryer. A bit of heat is all it takes to peel off without leaving any signs of tampering. Now consider this. What if you're packaging food, pharmaceuticals, or other high-valued goods? The risk is clear. If your packaging fails, what are the costs? Customers remember damaged deliveries, wasted time and effort handling customer complaints, costly reshipments. There is a solution. Meet water-activated tape, the ultimate packaging upgrade for your e-commerce business. Unlike plastic tape, it creates a secure bond with your box, reinforcing its strength and ensuring the package arrives intact. Parcel services are not easy on your packaging. Your box will pass through countless hands before reaching its final destination. Water-activated tape significantly enhances the durability of your package, ensuring the contents remain securely sealed. If the box is tampered with, your customer will immediately notice. Trusted by thousands of e-commerce businesses worldwide, water-activated tape has become the secret weapon for brands that prioritize customer experience. Here's how it works. Wet the tape using a dispenser. Apply it to your box. Watch as it creates a tamper-evident seal that's impossible to peel off without tearing into the cardboard. It's strong, durable, and even eco-friendly, perfect for businesses that care about sustainability. With water-activated tape, you get a stronger seal that protects your products, tamper-evident packaging that builds customer trust, a cleaner, professional appearance that enhances your brand, and up to 50% less tape usage, saving you time and increasing your packaging speed. You might be thinking, won't this slow me down? Isn't water-activated tape more expensive? The truth is, with a quality dispenser, application is faster than plastic tape. Because it's stronger, you'll use less tape, reducing waste and cost in the long run. Ready to protect your products, impress your customers, and save money? Click below and get your free sample roll of water-activated tape today. See the difference for yourself.